Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In today's video, I'll try to do the display comparison between the Poco F3 versus the Mi11 device. So this is a phone which is also called as the Redmi K40 device as well. So both Redmi K40 and the Poco F3, they both have the same kind of specifications and all the display properties. So it is the Mi11 friends, which is a very good. I'm using this Mi11 for the past few weeks as well, and this Poco F3 is a recently I got the mobile phone. So first let's see what are the things you need to know as well before starting the display comparison. And one thing is clearly say friends, you can see the difference in terms of the curved display versus normal display. So some people like the curved display, some people doesn't like the curved display. So let's see what are the hardware specifications between both the phones. So in terms of the hardware specifications, you can see clearly Super AMOLED panel versus this AMOLED technology, which has the 1 billion colors. So that is also another advantage. HDR10 plus 120Hz, 1500 nits of maximum peak brightness, whereas Poco F3 has only 1300 nits of peak brightness. 6.8 inches screen, so 6.8 inches screen, that's a huge screen, and 6.4 inches screen, and you do get the screen to body ratio of 91%. Because of this curved edges and very small tiny bezels, the screen to body ratio is really good and well maintained. If you use the case, you won't even see the sides as well friends when you are trying to hold the phone. That's another good advantage in this Mi11 device. So resolution is of 1440, and here the resolution in the Poco F3 is only 1080. So you are getting 2K resolution in this phone. That's a very good advantage in this phone. So in this Mi11 device, in terms of the display properties, if you go to the display under this section which is called AI image engine, so where you do get only 2 options in this phone, but you do get 4 extra benefits in this Mi11, as you can see. So these are the few things you need to know before buying the smartphones. So now let me try to begin by playing the same video in both the smartphones, so you know exactly which display is the best as well. So do let me know in the comments below friends what are your thoughts, and definitely I'll do my best to cover the display comparison with the plenty of other smartphones which I'm having in my channel. So right now I'm trying to play the same video in both the phones, and both phones they do have this kind of style option, so where you can select the different video filters, so which will improve lot of colors, lot of detail while watching the videos. That's a very good advantage in these phones you're having. And in this Mi11 device you do have this kind of option which is called upscale. So if you're using any other low resolution videos, this will make sure that the video is kind of close to high resolution. So right now if you're watching videos, if you're watching Netflix or YouTube, you will definitely feel very good in this Mi11 device because of this beautiful display, curved display and bigger display, 6.8 inches display. That's our biggest plus point for the Mi11 smartphone. So this is the Poco F3, both are having the full brightness as well, as you can see friends, full brightness I am trying to use. And if you are having any other queries, make sure to comment below as well regarding the smartphones in case. So let me try to decrease the brightness to 0 and to see how is the low brightness mode. So in the low brightness both are really going very low, so that's another good advantage, no issues. So this is a quite display comparison friends. For more details make sure to follow regularly my channel Sai Tech Guru, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.